Hello friends, welcome back. Let's dive in. When the post status is draft, it simply adds the edit post capability to the array. But if a user tries to edit someone else's post, like in this case, where the logged in user is editing a post created by another user, we need to check if the current post type allows editing other users' post. Here, the edit others post capability is enabled, so it gets added to the capabilities array. If the post is private, it also checks whether the user can edit private posts. These capabilities are created and managed by the map_meta_cap function, which generates and returns them. For example, when a user tries to edit a public post but isn't the author, the system checks if the role has capabilities to edit the published posts and other posts. If these capabilities are missing, the access is denied. And when testing, you might see an error like you are not allowed to edit this item. This happens if the user's role doesn't have the key capabilities such as edit others' posts. The WP user class evaluates if the role includes all the required permission. If not, it denies the access. If it's a multi-site setup or the user is super admin, they automatically return true unless a do not allow flag is present. The system merges filters and also validates the capabilities. In simpler terms, the system checks if the user's role includes all the necessary capabilities. Even if one of them is missing, access is denied. For example, refreshing this page checks whether the user can edit posts. If other posts is missing, the user won't have this access. For custom capabilities, the map_meta_cap function doesn't directly apply because they aren't predefined. However, you can create custom roles and permissions to fit your needs. Tools like Xdebug or code modifications like these can help explore how capabilities are processed step by step. If the user is editing their own post, the system checks whether the post is published. If it is, it validates the edit post and edit published post capabilities. Since these capabilities are assigned to the author role, the user, if he is an author, can edit their own posts. I hope this explanation clarifies how WordPress capabilities work. You can experiment locally and explore functions and classes like the WP user to see how meta and primitive capabilities are processed. In the next video, we'll talk about custom capabilities, how to add them to post types and taxonomies, and how to create custom user roles. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Jai WordPress!